Nice pile of toys here. I like that. Good. Oh, hi. Yes. Yeah. Is that fun? Where's Winnie the Poop? Winnie the Poop. Are you not going to argue with me this time? That it's Winnie the Poop? Who's that one?
Nemo.
Who?
Nemo.
Look at it again and tell me who that was.
Nemo.
That's Nemo?
Yeah.
I disagree. Who is it?
Nemo.
Who?
Nemo.
Oh, Nemo. Like that's Winnie the Poop? And that's Nemo? I think that's Dory. That was Dory. Who's Winnie the Poop?
Hola, baby.
Winnie the Poop.
You're this.
Yeah, it's Winnie the Poop. Isn't it? Is that his name, Winnie the Poop?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you just tell me a minute ago about him?
Yeah.
That he, what's his real name? That's a big frog.
Necesita un abrazo.
What did he say?
I don't know. What did he say? That was Winnie the Poop. Like you squeeze him? That gets him to talk again?
No, it is. Squeeze.
Yeah, squeeze him.
No, it is.
Winnie the Poop.
No, I'm just making he hug.
Oh, you're making him hug? You're not making him poop? Winnie the Poop. Oi. Boy, oh boy.